ADR Alternative Dispute Resolution LOK ADALAT. Hey future lawyers! Welcome to our channel Legal Legend. Today, we are going to cover the important topic LOK ADALAT from the subject ADR. 1. What is a LOK ADALAT? LOK ADALAT is a special type of court in India that helps people resolve their legal problems without going to regular court. 2. How does LOK ADALAT work? LOK ADALAT has a team of people who listen to both sides of a dispute and help them reach an agreement. 3. Is participation in LOK ADALAT mandatory? No, it's not mandatory. Both parties have to agree to participate willingly. 4. What types of cases can LOK ADALAT handle? LOK ADALAT can handle various cases, such as property disputes, family matters, accident compensation claims, and some types of criminal cases that can be mutually settled. 5. How does LOK ADALAT make decisions? The LOK ADALAT panel helps the parties negotiate and find a solution. If an agreement is reached, it becomes binding and enforceable. 6. Are the decisions of LOK ADALAT final? Yes, the decisions made in LOK ADALAT are considered final, just like a court order. 7. Why are LOK ADALATs important? LOK ADALATs are important because they provide a quick, simple, and affordable way to resolve disputes. They ease the burden on regular courts and make justice more accessible. 8. Do I need a lawyer for LOK ADALAT? Having a lawyer is not mandatory in LOK ADALAT, but parties can choose to have one if they wish. 9. How do I approach LOK ADALAT for my case? You can approach LOK ADALAT through your lawyer or directly at the local Legal Services Authority office. 10. Can I appeal against a LOK ADALAT decision? No, the decisions made in LOK ADALAT are final and cannot be appealed. They have the same legal value as a court decree. LOK ADALATs aim to provide a simpler and more accessible way for people to resolve their legal disputes. They focus on finding mutual agreements and have been successful in resolving a significant number of cases effectively. Thank you for watching. And do subscribe to our channel. All the very best.